So by default, if you haven't changed out the settings, once you open up Google Chrome, you actually get the Google search right here. So let's say you want to change out the home page. So in order to do that, you can go on to the top right here and click on customize settings right here and then go to settings. So once you do that, if you were to scroll down, you see this option. So it says on startup, right now it's set to open new tab page. So now what I want to do to set a new home page is to click on open a specific open up specific page or set of pages. So once I do that, you can see that I can choose current pages. So let's say, for example, if I were to type in adobe.com right here, you can see that I have created a new tab right here. I can go back over here and then I can use current page. So you can see that it opens up the list of pages which are here. So in my case, there's only one page. So I can simply select this one right here. So open specific pages. So now what happens is that each time I open up Google Chrome, it'll open up adobe.com. Or to customize it out onto the page I want to actually access, I can go and click on add a new page and then type in the address that I want. Let's say, for example, I want it to start to gmail.com. I can add it, and what happens is that it'll open up that page. So I'm just going to go around and remove this, and now this becomes the default page right here. So now what happens is that whenever Google Chrome gets started up, you access this page right here. So now I'm just going to close this out right here. And now if I were to open up Google Chrome right here, what happens is that it opens up the home page that we set. So you can see that Google Mail has started up by default, as you can see right here. And that is how you can set up home page inside of Google Chrome. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.